Hey YouTube, welcome to my vlog. So today we are finally taking care of this hair. If you guys follow me on socials, you know I've been saying I have to do this, I have to blah blah blah. So basically I'm going to be bleaching my roots. So I'm gonna bleach all of this. I actually have a lot of growth from when I've done it. And I'm also going to just put a little bit of bleach down here. Just to kind of take the rest of the orange out. There's not much in there actually. And then I'm going to be putting in another color, which I do not want to say until the end of the video. You guys will see the reveal. My mom is actually over and she's going to help me because she helped me when I did it the first time. So she's going to help me again. I'm also only going to do just this little bit. And then the rest of this I'm going to just dye back to black. And I'm going to dye my entire head jet black. Then I'm just gonna have this little strip of color. You guys will see in a little bit. So we're about to get started. I have my ingredients. So I'm using the L'Oreal Quick Blue. This is the L'Oreal Volume 30. I have my mixing bowl. And I also have my little brush, some gloves, and my color. So I'll be right back once we get started. All right, you guys, so the process has started. The bleach is on. Basically, all you have to do for this is mix the developer, which I showed you guys, and then the whole packet. I mix like 2 ounces of the developer. So that's what it looks like. I just painted it on. I don't have this part of my hair dyed though. That part I'm just gonna do, the rest I'm gonna do jet black. So now I'm gonna wait like 20 minutes and see how my hair has lightened. And if it's good, it's good. If it's not, then leave it on a little longer. I think the longest I'll leave it on is probably about an hour. But I'm really nervous because this part was already bleached. So I'm a little nervous about that, but we'll see what's going on. But yeah, just wanted to check in. Hey guys, so my hair is completely done. This is the color, as you guys can see, but I'm gonna check back in with you guys tomorrow because tomorrow I'm actually going to be straightening my hair. But for today, I'm calling it quits. I just put some deep conditioner in my hair and I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna just braid it and sleep with it in braids. Tomorrow I'm just gonna rinse out the deep conditioner and straighten it. But I'll let you know what I'm doing tomorrow when I'm doing it. But for now, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey YouTube, it is the next day, and right now I actually rinsed out my deep conditioner, and as you can see I blew out my hair. It looks really crazy right now because I don't usually like blow dry with like a roller brush and everything. I really just kind of, my intent is literally just to dry my hair, and so that's what I did. It's like randomly damp in certain areas, but I think it's good enough to start straightening my hair. So yeah, I'm about to start straightening it. The straightener that I have is actually really good. I just used it on my mom, and I've used it before on my mom and she loves it, so I think it's worth mentioning if you guys are interested. It is the Croc Premium Infrared. And I believe this was sent to me. This, along with the blow dry and everything, was actually sent to me. And this straightener is bomb. It's actually a professional, like really good straightener. Usually with flat irons, I have to like pass the flat iron like 3 times before it gets my hair right. With this one, it's only like once and occasionally twice maybe. But it's rare if I have to pass it twice. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to straighten my hair. I applied some My Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. This is infused with biotin and encourages growth for daily use, scalp treatment, and split end care. So I'm gonna apply some more of this at the end to my ends. Yeah, I didn't apply any other heat protectant because I've been using this app and it tells me all the toxins and stuff in my products. And the heat protectant that I was using was just horrible. So I'm not using that. They recommended this one, and so that's what I used. So yeah, I just wanted to check in a little bit. So I'm gonna show a little bit of the process of me straightening my hair. But that's pretty much it. I can't wait to see the final results because it being straightened is gonna make so much more of the difference. And this lime just looks so crazy, but I think it looks really cute as well.
Pull up in a 7 and you will pull up in a 6. Big money shit.
Hey YouTube, so I am back. So here's my hair. I just wanted to show you guys a very final product. So this is what it looks like. It's just like one little strip of green. I just wanted to show you how it looks when I have makeup on and stuff. I actually just finished filming a bunch of content. You guys will have already seen that actually. So I hope you guys enjoyed my seafood boil mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed the news that I'm working with Claw Daddies Brooklyn. I am so grateful to be working with them, and I just really wish to keep them open, keep them prospering, and get them back to where they were prior to this pandemic. So I'm really grateful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair vlog. I know it's a short video, but I just really wanted to show you guys how I get my little strip of green, because I know I didn't really film when I did the orange, and it's pretty much the same thing except for I just bleached all down here. So in this case I feel like the green was a little harder than the orange was, but my hair is so, and I know I say that all the time, but it's literally like up to my butt. The crazy part about it is that I just trimmed it back in like October, and it just grew back so fast. And I'm gonna get another trim soon. I'm thinking about dusting the ends, probably when I go back to curly, who knows. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair vlog. I hope you guys like my new color. I think after this, I'm probably done, or maybe I'll just hit blue one more time after this green. Yeah, I'll probably do some blue after this green, just take out the green and just do blue. And then after that, I'm definitely calling it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and follow me on TikTok at KissedByKen1. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!